So we're about to install a wig on our own. Do I wear wigs? Half wigs, V part wigs. But tonight, um, mind you, I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna put a wig cap on. I'm telling y'all, look, this is the only thing I have for wigs. I bought it for my baby shower wig last year, and that was horrendous. Anywho, excuse me. But anyway, so I'm putting on a wig cap. Um, this is severely sped up. My son, he was extremely sleepy. I thought he was down, but he really wanted me to be right next to him, so I had to take a pause, all the things. Anyways, but we finally got to this place because I was like, I seen people do this, let me do this to the cap. But yeah, and then I went in with my Pixie foundation because it's kind of thick. I wanted something that was going to be thick. I'm actually going to try to get some of the foam because that sounds really interesting too. I think I actually bought some but ended up throwing it away because I was like, I don't want no wigs. Now look at me. Anyways, because we're protecting my leave out at this point. I've been doing too many silk presses on my own. Anyways, but I got the wig on and I had to test my son's juice. Yeah. So, I was just kind of playing with it. I was like, okay, it's starting to look like something. All right. And then I went in with the wig spray. See, Quayla, if you're watching this, I went in and I actually combed the hair back and then I put the little spray stuff. And then I went in with my comb too. So yeah, that's what I did. So it started to look like something. I was so proud of myself. Like, you have no clue. And this is when I started curling. And this is when I just knew that, like, okay, we made it over. I'm so proud of myself. I'm dancing. I'm celebrating because what do you mean? You know? Like, okay, Valencia got a little curl, a little bump action. I only curl with flat irons because that's the only thing I can curl with. We listen and we do not judge, correct? Right. I know. So yeah, I flipped it out, a little flip the dip, you know? And yeah, this is the final result. Look at those curls, y'all. They are so yummy. They're so delicious. Look.
I tried telling y'all about tenderness.
Yes. But this is the final results, and I'm so happy with my results. I'm truly happy with how my hair turned out. Even though this was my first time doing this, like installing a wig, I do have another one, so I'll bring y'all along for that one. It's actually more color. Like, I've never played with this much color a day in my life, so I'm so excited about that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.